Now we can go to the food.java and create some methods to increase the price and also decrease the price. But first we are going to change this back to private. And at the bottom we are going to create public void and then add price. And then we set the integer price. And this dot price plus or equal to price, and then we can print the price is increased to this dot price. We need to add the this because this refers to the price of this class. If you delete the this will become the price at here. So no matter the user pass the price is 30, this will become 30, and this is not the total price of the food. So we have to add the this dot price. And then we are going to create the reduce price. And then we have to check something, that whether it will become negative. If this dot price minus price is less than or equal to 0, we will print out the price should not be negative or 0. And then else we can set the price. So this dot price minus equal to price. And then we also print out the price is decreased to this dot price. Now we back to the main, and then we already set the price, and then we go to apple dot reduce price to 15 and then run. Now you get the price should not be negative or 0, because when it minus, it will become negative 2. So we change to 2, and then we run again. This will become 11. And then we add price and run again. This will become 15. Also, we do not need to set the size, such as big. First, we have to change this to string. And then back to here, you will see if there are 2 fields, then you have to set 2 fields. If you have 10 fields, then you have to set 10 fields. So there is a need to use the constructor, which is more convenient. So now we are going to create a constructor. Then we do not need the set price, and also we do not need the set size. And then we are going to create a constructor. Now you have this constructor, then we can go to do the same thing without needing the set price and set size. We just need to, for example, this is 15, and then which is big. And then we run this program. Now you see the price increased to 17. So it still works without using set price and set size.